This is a tutorial on how to add your sermon from your Facebook page onto the website. This is your dashboard of your website. We will scroll down to sermons. You're going to add new. We're going to type in the title. I always add the date, not the date, I'm sorry, the year. Otherwise, the third Sunday of Easter is going to be also on there another year. From there, I'm going to just click down into this text box area, and I'm going to write now you will automatically know what the sermon text is. I usually listen to part of your sermon so that I can hear what text it's going to be. Now we are ready to go get your sermon, but first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the text box, and I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to hit the enter button, depending on you have Apple or something else, but either the enter or the return button, so that my cursor is underneath sermon text. I'm going to go to your Facebook page, and there is your sermon. There's 3 little dots up in the right hand corner. I'm going to click on those, and one of them says embed. I'm going to click on embed. There's a code right here. All you need to do is click on copy code. And I'm going to go back onto the web page, and I'm going to paste that code. We go back into visual, this little tab right here, and there's your sermon. Off the top of my head, I don't remember what sermon text you used, but I'm just going to type in something just for the time being. I'm going to type in Luke 2, nice Christmas one, 10 through 19. Then I'm going to go over to the right over here, and this is how your sermons will get categorized. And so in looking for one, you'll be able to look by books, you'll be able to look by different series. Anyway, I'm going to scroll down. They're in alphabetical order after the number ones, like 2 Peter, 2 Samuel. So I'm going to find Luke, and I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to scroll down to the series, and we are in the season of Easter still. And then I'm going to scroll down to select an image. That takes us to all of the images that are on your website. And I have preloaded, I believe, most of the seasons on here. There's 2. This says Sundays of Easter, and this one says Sundays after Easter. So it would just depend which one you want to use. You'll note, like, there's one for Advent, Reformation, just different ones. If you can't find what you're looking for, you would click on Load More and to see what else, if you wanted to use something else. But I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom right-hand corner, Set Featured Image, click that, and then the only thing I have left to do is hit Publish. Now, I will say one other thing. If you do this on Monday and you want the correct date on there, you can click on this and you can put in that this was from March 2nd and hit OK, and that's the date it'll show as being published. So now I will publish it, and it's ready to go. But it's always nice to look to see if it went where it was supposed to go. So we're going to go to your web page and scroll down, and we'll go down to sermons, and there's the one. Now this is the one that's the correct one. Oh, it was from 2 Peter. But this is the one I just did. Now I will go back and delete that. But that's where, how, and where it will appear.